Good evening, friends. Elrigu namaskara. Today is a very special day. Ekandre all of us have worked a little hard in terms of getting our shares. Iga, most of us are eligible. So, firstly, I would like to congratulate each and every participant in this meeting because you are all proud shareholders of Global Ghana, world's biggest company in making. In the process of enjoying that share, iga yenaguttandre there are some steps and process that we need to. Okay, to explain that, we have a veteran who has got more than 20 years of an experience, and Mr. Dinesh Jain. He is also an RD and master channel partner from Delhi. He is, apart from the Global Ghana business, he is a veteran in jewelry, stock market, online grocery. He also does AMC for printer. Since 1.5 years, as all of you are aware, he is also part of Global Ghana as a master channel partner. He runs a company, Arlen Mart LLP, which means he is the director of the company, and he is doing extremely good in both Global Ghana business as well as the stock, jewelry, online grocery, and the printer maintenance. To assist him, we have Aarti Madam. She has been part of Mr. Dinesh's team for the last 12 years. So the one point of contact and any kind of a support required, Aarti Madam also will be available. So friends, before we start the meeting, one ground rule. I request all of you to keep your mics muted. Otherwise, I will mute all. I muted all. So those of you who have a question, we will have a separate time. So just to give a little brief, I see one or two people who are not a shareholder or aspiring or fourth phase also. We will try to maintain this discussion purely in English. But ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ doubts clarification ಇದ್ರೆ definitely we can move to a local language. However, Mr. Dinesh or Aarti ma'am will respond to us in English. Now, the first ground rule. Firstly, we all should be eligible. I am sure all of you are eligible, or your representative was eligible. Second, there has to be a written mail from the HO confirming congratulations. Mr. Girish, you are qualified as a shareholder. Mr. John, you are qualified as a shareholder. Email ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು. I think I'm making it very clear. If we are a shareholder, we need to send a claim form, get an Excel report sent to the HO. HO will send a written mail confirmation. Ide ಮೊದಲನೇ step. If that mail has not come in from the HO, there is some problem with the data, or we have not furnished the sufficient information. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? If we claim ourselves as a shareholder, ನಮಗೆ HO ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ please speak to your seniors and get it confirmed. That's the first ground rule. Second, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. ಈ ಮೂರು ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆಗಿರೋರಿಗೆ there is a share certificate given, or non-share certificate not given, we have the process. Don't worry. Whether you have received the share certificate or not received share certificate, there is a process. We will help you in guiding that. Anybody qualified in fourth phase, which is just concluded on 4th of November, ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ phase qualify ಆಗಿರೋರು, ಗೋಗ್ಯಾರ qualify ಆಗಿರೋರು, you need to send a report and get a confirmation. But process na tilkoli. Nothing wrong in knowing the process. Hope I am making it very clear. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Few of you might have received certificate. Few of you are yet to receive the certificate, but you are entitled to get the share. That is why we have invited Mr. Dinesh and Aarti to explain the entire process. Is there any doubt in this? First, I made a rule clear. We should be shareholders as per the norms. We should have received a mail confirmation from HO. HO, Kinjal, or one of the HO team staff sends a mail with a congratulations message after verifying the report. Till then, HO job. After that, we all need to open the demat. I think a couple of them asked me a private question. Okay, nange share certificate bandilla. Don't worry. Whether you have received a share certificate or not, all of us need to open a demat account. That is why Mr. Dinesh's session today and Ms. Aarti's guidance is going to be very, very important. Ega, before we start, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ questions, clarification ಇದ್ರೆ, we will straight away clarify right now before I hand over the floor to Mr. Dinesh. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ doubts, clarifications ಇದ್ರೆ, you can speak to me, clarify. With regard to the ground rule, what I said, you should be a shareholder. ನಿಮಗೆ HO ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಮೇಲ್ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು, ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ಕಂಗ್ರಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. Okay, Kishore Balla. Okay, Kishore is from 4th. Okay, let's say Joseph.
Yeah. One point. Balwanji, we do not come under this one. We are under 4th phase. So let us not worry. Just attend the meeting. 4th phase concluded on 4th of this month on Diwali day. So we are not coming under this phase 3. We are under phase 4. Whoever is coming under phase 4, we attend the meeting, take the knowledge, then afterwards we'll interact later on.
Yeah, it is just tomorrow. I'll clarify that. Those of you, I think from Lorwin team only, we have 18 qualifiers of Gogyara and 4th phase. Tomorrow only we'll complete the formality of sending a report. Don't worry about it. But it is mandate, all of you need to open a Demat account. Is it clear? Every shareholder of Global Gardener need to have a Demat account. Okay, whichever phase you belong to, don't worry about it. All of us need to have a Demat account open. That is why Mr. Dinesh's input and training would be handy for us. Ha, Manamal, you can raise, you raised your hand, please.
Yeah, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Through opening the Demat account is through bank or any other agency like that?
All that Mr. Dinesh would explain it, because those of you who have got it, he will clarify, and those of you are interested in opening also, he has a choice. Okay, so ultimately it is going to be connected with the bank, but then we have best method. I think last time also Tanu ma'am explained very clearly. There are 2 partners who are helping and coordinating with regard to the CDSM. Okay, that also Mr. Dinesh will explain. Brilliant. Okay, so is there anything else that we need to? Good to see about 30 participants, so I'm really happy, and definitely all of us are showing an interest in terms of knowing more about DMAT. So thank you so much for Mr. Dinesh and Aarti ma'am to be a part of. In fact, I just made a call yesterday only. I'm really happy and thankful. They have immediately considered, and they are part of the session. So now I hand over the floor to Mr. Dinesh.
Thank you, Mr. John, and all GG team, GG Bangalore team, or you can say Karnataka team, for believing in us and give me opportunity for give your training. Basically, we have 2 platforms, Motilal Oswal and Angel Broking. Somebody asked the question, we have to account in bank. We have 2 platforms, and these 2 platforms are the best platform of India. Still, Angel Broking and Motilal Oswal. I think all you have known about these 2 companies, Angel Broking and Motilal Oswal. No, okay. This is basically. Pardon.
Those of you want to talk, please raise your hand digitally. Don't unmute your mic and disturb the flow, please. Okay. Yes, Mr. Dinesh. Yeah.
So we are opening. Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Abdulji. Yes, Mr. No, you need to unmute your mic, please. No, your mic is still muted. Abdul.
I'm using Upstocks. Is it okay? RKSV.
Yes. Is it?
I'm using Upstocks.
Got
yes,
it.
For
got
share.
It's a good company. Yes, it's a good company.
It has both BSC and NSC. It's okay, no?
Yes, Upstock, Zerodha, these are all good company. But
Okay.
Problem is that for service you have to go to Upstock. Here is a one-stop solution. Basically, Mr. John want to contact to me. We are giving one-stop solution. Okay?
Achha.
We have 2 companies, Motilal Oswal and Angel Broking. These are
Angel
2.
Broking. Okay.
Yes, Angel Broking. These 2 are the best company in India. Okay. So there is no any charges. Upstock is also a good company. Okay. But with us, you have to definitely one benefit, na. You have there is no worry. We have all the process, all the issue. We are connected directly to GG. So that is the plus point. That is the USP of us. Basically.
Okay. Thank you.
With your permission, Mr. Dinesh, I'll just clarify. I think all of you got it. See, might be few of you are having an SBI, few might have an Access, as Mr. Abdul told his own. there is absolutely nothing wrong or having your own demat. We really appreciate. Now the understanding between Global Garner and these two, that is Angel Broking and Motilal Oswal company, is very high. We say the handshaking or the understanding is very high. So Mr. Dinesh is handling and spearheading that. But let us say Mr. Abdullah has got something demat in a different bank. Absolutely nothing to worry. The process of getting it done, you may need to do it on your own with your advisor. Now, wherein with these two, we can entrust the documents and give it to Mr. Dinesh. He will do everything. Correct, Mr. Dinesh?
Yes, yes, yes.
That is what it is. So,
And there is no account opening charge, all free. Okay, so there is no worry to, you don't have to think about opening the account.
fantastic. And there's just one more point. It is not that like a PAN, each one of us need to have only one demat. You can also have two demats. For example, I already have a share in a particular bank and I have a demat account. It's working fine. I've got some shares. I'm doing a trading.
Yes.
For Global Garner, if needed, I can open one share because there is no charges. It's totally free. And thereafter, all the services and help will be given by Mr. Dinesh and Aarti Madam, which is going to be like, a kind of a doorsteps kind of a support, which means through mail and a user-friendly support they will give.
Yes,
It's an option. It is not mandate. ಇದು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆದಾಯಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ತಪ್ಪೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, SBI ಇರಬಹುದು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಎರಡು ಏಂಜಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೋತಿಲಾಲ್ ಓಸ್ವಾಲ್ ಇಂದ ಎರಡು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾರ್ನರ್ಗೂ ಈ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಕಂಪನಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ದಿನೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಆರ್ತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು SBI ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕೋಟಾಕಲ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸುಮಾರು ಕೆಲಸಗಳಿದೆ. If we are taking it from Oswal, Motilal Oswal and then Angel Broking, we can take complete support from Mr. Dinesh and Aarti. Okay, so now Venkatesh Avare, anything that you want to ask?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mr. Dinesh, sir.
Yes.
Suppose if I have an account in some other company, so with shares, so can I transfer it to this company?
Yes, yeah,
Can
definitely.
I open an account and transfer it?
Yes, you can transfer.
Okay. Okay. So I'll have to give all the details to you and you will take care of that, or how is it?
There is a form. I think there are some procedure that also you will take through. So
Okay.
I request you all to reserve your questions. We'll allow Mr. Dinesh and Aarti Madam to take us through the entire process in the next 15-20 minutes.
Okay,
Then we
fine.
will start with the questions. Otherwise, not too many questions will, the whole purpose of the meeting will be defeated. Okay. Thank you for all your cooperation. Over to Mr. Dinesh and Aarti Madam again. Yeah.
So as you know, Alin Wealth is an investment and financial service company based in Delhi, and we are technology-led company providing equity, commodity, mutual fund, small case, PMS, and insurance. We are working in the field since last 18 years, and we are offering online discount broking service also. Okay. Features of this account opening charge is completely free. AMC is free. Online account opening, there is no any you have to give physical form or all thing. Online trading on mobile devices just like Upstock. Digital KYC verification process. Now, how to open online demat account? These documents are required for us: your PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank detail. Bank detail means cancel check. And cancel check is compulsory, but bank statement of last 6 months is not compulsory. If you require some additional feature in derivative or commodity, then you have to give this bank statement of last 6 months. Otherwise, for this GG purpose, there is no compulsory. Signature, photograph for upload, mobile number and email ID. Okay, these are the document everybody have, I think. No. So this is the procedure. We have two links: MOSL link, Motilal Oswal link, and Angel Broking link. Okay. In whichever company you have to open, you can directly link open. So I hand over this platform to Aarti. She will guide you how to open the account.
When you click on this link, Motilal Oswal platform is open like that. It's your full name and enter your mobile number, open Demat account. You open this account separately. Again, I will show. Again, you will, if you want to open your account in Angel One, you click on this link. This type of open this page in Angel One. Name, mobile number, city, and referral. It's a continue. Then your account will be again proceed. And enter your mobile number, fill your date of birth, PAN details, email ID, bank details, details of your Demat accounts are sent it to your registered mail ID. If you have a share certificate, if you all are not have a share certificate of GG, first process is first open your Demat account. We are providing your DRF phone. It's for dematerialization your certificate. If you have certificate, GG share certificate, we are providing you DRF form for dematerialization your certificate. Fill this form with signature, attach your share certificate. All these documents hard copy sent to us. When we your certificate dematerialize your shares in your Demat account.
Let me explain this once again. There are two types of investor. One who have certificate, share certificate, and one who have doesn't share certificate but eligible. So who are who have share certificate, these are the procedure. We will give you the DRF form. You will print out and will send with your share certificate. So whenever this certificate with your DRF form, this will get to us around 20 to 25 days. Around 20 to 25 days, your Demat account will be, your share certificate will be dematerialized. These will come in your Demat account. This will take around 20 to 25 days. And second type of investor are there who have not certificate but are eligible. Okay? So for that you have to fill this form, only this Google form. In this Google form, only 4 or 5 details are you have to get. These are the form: name, contact number, address, your Demat account number. This Demat account number we will give you. Now after that, name of the Demat service provider, Angel Broking or Motilal Oswal. Then Demat account images, Demat account image. This also we will give you. Then you have to fill your PAN card, PAN number, PAN image, Aadhaar number, Aadhaar image, front or back, and submit it. That's it. After this, GG will shift this share in your Demat account. You are only working that. Okay? Got it? If you have any problem, you have any doubt in this two type of category, please ask.
ಈ process ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ doubts clarifications ಇದ್ರೆ you can ask. If there is anything that you want to clarify, you can. Ha, Hema.
Dinesh, I have a question on the. I have the share certificate, but I already have a Demat account in Zerodha. So
Okay.
in that case, what would be the process that I need to follow just to add that into the Zerodha? I don't want to create a new account again. Instead, I want to use the existing Demat account.
this whole procedure you have to do with the Zerodha. Okay, just like
Yeah.
I'm asking now, you have to send your certificate to us. So
Okay.
just like that, you have to send your certificate to Zerodha. But again, I'm saying na, in Zerodha, there is a service issue. Basically, service issue in the sense that there is not one contact person.
Yeah,
So
everything is online over there.
everything is online. If there is no any contact person you can ask, and if you will send to your certificate to HO, and there is any problem, any misplace, any, so there is this is the only problem. We are the service provider. Basically, this technology broker and we, there is a huge difference, and only difference is the service. Okay. Otherwise, Zerodha and Upstock are also very good platform. But as per service point of view, we have much more edge.
Okay. So
Yes.
then, okay.
But
Yeah.
again, this is your choice. But you can open account here. There is no any charges. There is no any problem.
I agree. I mean, it's not about the charges for me. It's convenient to maintain one account. That's the reason I was asking this. And if I have to
No, there is
go, sorry.
in today's scenario, there is any problem. We will give you all the detail in income tax point of view, in all back office point of view, ledger, all we will give you all the detail. Okay? And
Hema, what you can do is, Mr. Dinesh, with your permission, Hema, what you can do is you can check with the bank, the Zerodha, account, see the kind of a response. You tell them like this is what it is. You have got the shares of Global Ghana and you
Okay.
want to move in your 10 shares. If you are
Okay.
able to get a reply within 2 to 3 working days or whatever it is, you feel it is good enough, you can continue. But
Okay.
otherwise, if it is going to take a longer time,
Mhm.
probably, you can get in touch with it. Right now, since you already have an account, try
Yeah.
getting in touch with them, send a note, with that, online support or whatever it is required. Because
Okay.
I think there is no single point of a service point or a
Yeah,
help desk
everything they work through online. So they
online. So you
don't.
can send it. You can also say, mention the company details and your account details and, Global Garner shares, which is in all that. If you are able to get a response, let's say today is 11th. So
Uh-huh.
by in the next 2 to 3 working days, if they are able to, and if you
Okay.
feel quite satisfied, do you have any shares currently in that account?
Yeah, I just have a couple of them.
Okay.
Since I already have it at, and
I
there is
understand. I got it where you're coming to. Do you have any single point of contact or any account manager, somebody connected
no, because
who responded?
Zerodha does not work as a single
Work on
point
that.
of
Okay.
contact. So it is all online or application app which they have it.
Yeah.
So trading happens through that. So that's where everything goes through.
Perfect.
Even
Please. The choice is yours. It is not that, because we are part of Global Garner and then Mr. Dinesh is part of. If you feel any other demat account, they are able to give the service and they are able to satisfy what is required, please go ahead with it.
Okay.
But then, as Mr. Dinesh rightly told, I think you have got the shares already, correct?
Yeah.
So the share certificate need to be surrendered there with the process. And in a normal scenario only, it takes about 2 weeks.
Okay.
So if there is a delay, then probably it may be prolonged for a month also. So you please take a call. Depends on the response what you're getting tomorrow, day after, or in the next 3-4 days. You can be in touch with me or through Joseph, and then you have Mr. Dinesh's number also. You feel free. You take the choice is yours. We are only telling Mr. Dinesh, can you open that form of the Google
And
form where? Yes,
one
Hema?
more question, John.
Yes.
If we have to submit the share certificate, let's say I'm gonna go with Zerodha, right? Do we have to send them the original, or it's okay to send
the
the
original? That is where we were also the previous one. Share certificate received, Mr. Dinesh. So Zerodha, the original share certificate need to be surrendered.
And then if they misplace it, then
that is where we were also trying to alert it, because we have also dealt with few demat accounts. See, let us say I'm in Bangalore, I'm in Wilson Garden. I have an account in SBI. I walk into the branch directly. I give a physical copy. At least it's safe because I'm giving to an ex person. Now, in your case or in a couple of accounts, they only do a digital service.
Yes.
So you send in a courier. What if there is? I'm just only worried about the service and what if.
I get your point.
That is the only reason, because we have been talking about it for the last 1 month, and somehow none of our other demat account holders are able to fulfill what is required.
Okay.
And what we thought is we will send one courier to our HO. No, the certificate's not reaching our Global Gunner HO, it need to
Okay.
go to your particular demat account to this one. That is
Yes.
where there is a thing. Okay.
Okay.
So,
So now-
have you
sorry.
filled in this form? Have you filled in this form? We have received share certificate. Please
Yeah,
click
yeah.
on that. Dinesh,
I-
go to the previous slide, please.
Previously.
Those, yeah, we have received the share certificate. There is a link also. Okay, that
So-
link you have filled in, I think, correct?
Yeah, there is a SharePoint link what was sent,
Which
right,
has come
where
in the
detail-
group, yes.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
I did that. I submitted also on that.
All right.
But there were some additional steps it asked. That's why I called you to ask for some details
Yes,
on that
yes.
piece of it, what exactly needs to be done.
So you please take a call. If you are getting any response, speedy response from your Zerodha, online or whoever it is responding, you can please go ahead.
Okay.
Otherwise, we are there to support and help, as a team, and then we will be able to take it to the next stage.
Okay, got it. So here, the second step, it says we provide DRF form for dematerialized,
So there
right?
is a form that need to be taken up print physically. Along
Okay.
with the form, you need to put the certificate and give it to you need to send a physical, or a courier to the particular address, what they have got.
Okay, so that is regardless of whichever
Yes.
demat
Whether you go
account.
with Oswald, you go with, angel broking it is. Now for angel broking, for example,
Mhm.
we can send it to Mr. Jain's this one also address, Dinesh's address, correct, Mr. Dinesh?
Yes, yes, yes.
Let us say
Even-
I have got a angel broking account, demat account.
Okay,
I have received a certificate.
okay.
In that case, the DRF form and the certificate, I can send it to the address what Mr. Dinesh is specifying. Correct, Mr. Dinesh?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
So this,
Even Mr. Vikas Rawat sir, share certificate has arrived to us, and
Yes.
that is in a process to dematerialize.
okay.
See, we
So
are
this-
not trying to promote a particular airline, no. We are trying to safeguard the certificates are
got it.
taken care
I
and the
am-
service, that's it.
I understand, because it's easier to go through someone who's already
Absolutely.
tied up than the one who's not tied up. I totally get it.
Yeah.
I was only considering the fact that since I already
You already have.
the
I
account,
appreciate that, yes.
kind of see. And where can I get this DRF form, or will it be circulated
We
after?
will send you. We will send you.
Okay,
No,
sir.
Mr. Dinesh, this is for angel broking and Oswald. What about, for Hema who has got an account separate? Is there a separate form for her, or the one form can be?
No, separate
Common.
form. Separate
That
form.
is where. So even that form obtaining, you need to get in touch with your account parent company. One, you need to
so-
get a DRF form from them.
Okay,
You need to take a print, sign it along with the original certificate, send a courier to the address what they are mentioning.
okay. So I'll not get from the team here.
No,
Lavanya.
no, because let's say we go into a bank, the challan of SBI is different, ICICI is different, HDFC is different.
Yes, yes.
So it's likewise, the DRF form of
Uh-huh.
each of this demat parent company also would be varying. So,
Okay,
there are separate forms for each account. Okay.
got it. Okay. So I can connect with
please-
you, right, John?
Yeah,
after
anytime,
the-
anytime. Yes.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Mehboob Pasha, yes, you can.
ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ನಂದು SC ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಯಾವ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಂದ?
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದೆ ನನ್ನ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ SC ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ GG ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾನು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬೋದಲ್ಲ?
ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಈಗ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮವರು ದಿನೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ತಿ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೌದು, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸರಿ, ನೀವು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಎಸ್, ನಾನು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಾನು ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್. ಈಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೆಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರದ್ದು ಕೇಸಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರದ್ದು ವೇರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ
ಫೈನ್ ಮೆಹಬೂಬ್ ಅವರೇ. ಬಲ್ವಾನ್ ಜಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Yes, Mr. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Balwan.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, today only I have just spoken through WhatsApp message for Motilal Oswal group. that they are having the AMC conditional. This is
AMC?
conditional. This is if you are opening account with 20,000 and more instantly, and
Okay,
put the amount at least for 30 days,
okay.
then only it will be free for lifetime.
Okay,
AMC.
no, such conditions are not there with when we go through us. That is what I told, the service level and the understanding
I got the
between,
PDF also. I got PDF also.
you got free account.
PDF. I got PDF also from the Motilal Oswal.
Mr. Dinesh, you are able to understand what he's trying to tell?
I think he's saying he got a message from Motilal Oswal and
Correct.
he's opening a free account if he give 20,000 for 1 month. I think
25,000, sir.
25,000.
They are giving you, or you need to give.
I have to deposit, open the account with 20,000 more. At least for 1 month, balance to maintain.
Mr. Balwan, don't worry. You don't have to give any amount, nil amount, and totally free. It's a totally free.
We will be able to get you. That's what we have been trying to talk. See, you have a choice. If you want to go ahead, you can go ahead. The
Yes.
same Motilal Oswal account, we will help you open with zero maintenance, zero deposit, and the DRF forms or whatever is the future protocol, we will help you. One point of contact would be there. Okay, that is an advantage.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Balwan. Any other questions? If not, we'll move ahead with the presentation from Mr. Dinesh. Srisha avre nimma teamu yaradru enadru questions?
Mostly illa kaansutte, so I think we can move ahead.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Dinesh, you can continue, please. Yeah.
So, benefit of joining with us, we have a knowledge session, at least one in every month, at least one. Okay? We have one of the best PMS. PMS, Ali, you know what is PMS? Portfolio Management Service. Okay? We manage the your portfolio. Okay? And we restructure your portfolio. If you are having already for portfolio, then we restructure according to the current situation. We plan your financial goal and we give a free based advisory, fees based advisory. See, this is the benefit. Rest of your career and any other problem, please contact to Ms. Aarti Jain on this number 92890-93773. Okay. And 2 requests from my side. Number 1, you all have to fill this form so that we can get your all the data, and we from our side we can contact you and give service you. Only 4 and 5 field are there: name, contact number, email ID, and city. That's it. And if you any queries, if you any type of queries, please fill queries in this form only. Okay? So we will coordinate you. Okay? And second thing I have to tell you, on 14 Sunday 14 on 14 at 11 o'clock, I will give a link here to you. Please attend that session. You will get to know what kind of knowledge session we are providing. 11 and 11. 11th November, 11th AM. 11 November.
Sir, 14 November. 14
Sorry,
November.
14 November. And my request to you attend that session with your children. 14 November is a children day, so that session is totally devoted to your children above 6 years. You will get to know what kind of knowledge session, what kind of quality we are giving. Okay? Please attend that session. 14 November, please book your calendar. 14 November and 18 December. 18 December, we are organizing a full day session. India best speaker of India are coming with us. They will guide you on different topic of investment. Okay? So please fill your calendar for 14 November, 11 AM and 18 December full day. And please fill this form. Aarti, please chat box.
Yeah, you can share it to me or put it in the chat box as well.
Yeah.
So that we will share it with all the participants. In fact, I have a suggestion. All of you who are present in this session, you can fill in this form. Anything related to your DMAT, your transfer, like Hema had a concern, like, Mr. Hebar asked a question, all that also can be clarified. Anyway, they are giving a free service and they are part of Global Gardener team. So I am sure you will get the best of the advice and suggestions. So you can fill in the form, and they will be able to guide you appropriately. It's anyway a simple form with 4 details and a query. Whether you are interested in opening a DMAT, you already have a DMAT, or anything related to, you will be able to clarify that. Do we have any questions? I think Aarti madam has already shared that link in that chat box. You can right away click, or you can copy, and then you can fill in whenever you're free. Do we have any questions? Any other questions, clarifications, Sidhya? Joseph, you want to clarify? I think you have opened an account in a particular thing. You can discuss, because we have another 10 minutes. Specific we can.
Mr. Sudhakar.
I do have some.
Yeah, Sudhakar, you can, please. Yeah, Sudhakar. Okay, camera bandilva. I was about to tell. Sudhakar na nodilla andre henge. Maka nodbeku.
Yeah. I was down with COVID.
Yeah, I could make out you are not well.
Yeah. For 10, almost 20 days, I was down.
How are you feeling now?
Yeah. That's now I'm recovered. Yesterday report, it's negative.
Perfect.
Yesterday I got okay. So Jain Saab, 2 days back I opened DMAT account through Angel only, and my DMAT online trading account got opened. But from there, I am not able to get my DMAT details. Bhavna ji, I am in touch with Bhavna ji. She suggested me some, like procedure to download also somewhere. I tried there that, like I can just read it out. It's okay. Send mail. Even that send mail option is there. Download option I'm not getting. Send mail by going to that, like, okay, trade.angel broking, and then to a particular report. Okay. But udhar bhi send email, no? That those details doesn't come to my email ID. You understood the question? My DMAT account is opened online. The trading account is also open. I changed the password because I received a mail saying that change the password. I changed the password. I logged in.
Okay.
सब कुछ हो रहा है. But जो details मेरे को GG में देना है, that is the DMAT details, वो मेरे को नहीं मिल रहा है.
Okay.
भावना जी ने suggest किया.
Aarti will give you
reports, and reports maybe 4 or 5 options are there. A particular option, I chose that also.
Don't worry, Sudhakar. Aarti will give you tomorrow.
Thoda isme, correct. Because the main purpose of opening the DMAT account is, like we want the DMAT details, which we have to give it to GG.
Sudhakar, Aarti will give you tomorrow. Please fill up the form and raise the queries in that form only.
Okay. It's opened in the name of Sandhya Naik.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have noted from the chat box. I have taken that link for the form.
Yes.
That ticket raising or whatever giving the details. I will raise the query. Okay, I just thought I will inform you this similar problem others also may face. So if you just find out why it happened, or
Yeah.
Thanks for that input, Sudhakar.
May I ask
Yes.
Yeah, may I
Yeah,
ask
Mr. Kishore, yes.
Yeah. So suppose in a family 3-4 are there, can we open the joint account?
Yes, you can open the joint account.
You people are able to hear
Joint
me?
account for DMAT.
You can open the joint account, but we don't suggest joint account.
Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose already your account is there, can we transfer it to the sibling or family members?
have you share in that account?
Yeah.
You can transfer. You can transfer.
You see, I have two Oswald, two Reliance, couple of SBI, and many, roughly 8 to 10 are their accounts. So
Definitely you can transfer. But again, we suggest that you sell share in that account and purchase in other account. Okay? That is easy for you. You can transfer only 2 days. There is only 2 days procedure for transfer. Okay? But again, we suggest you sell that share because income tax point of view.
Acha, whatever the shares are there already, you are asking me to sell them or
buy in another account. That is a good option. Otherwise, you can transfer. There is no problem.
Account is on my name. For that, I need not transact anything, I believe. I have certain shares in the account, MOSL. That is HOID 197 is the code, password, I think. Okay. And can I submit the same account to the GG? I have many shares in that.
Yes, you can give.
Only while transferring only, I need to sell and transfer it. Is it?
Yes.
Yeah. One more out of box to this one person. I have Malar Hospital shares in so that is converted into Fortis Malar or so. Can you help me out in that?
Which share? Which type of share? Which company share?
Malar Hospitals at the time. Malar Hospitals. Now
Malar,
it is.
You are saying in physical form. You are saying in physical form.
Physical form.
Same procedure are followed just like GG. They is the same procedure.
But it is quite old, 92 or so.
Doesn't matter.
Changed. Doesn't matter?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
And then if you further have any query, please fill in that form and probably one of them, either Mr. Dinesh or Aarti or Bhavana will get in touch. You can specifically address what is your thing and then they will be able to guide and help.
Yeah, their contact details are given here.
Yes, I would share it in the group and in the chat box also. I do not want Mr. Dinesh to be disturbed, but Aarti and Bhavana's number already there. Maybe in the chat box, I'll ask them to type it once again.
Okay.
Aarti Jain and then, Mr. Bhavana, so, both, numbers are big. Yes, now it is coming. So you can please make a note and then do it. Now, relating to the question what Mr. Kishore asked, Mr. Dinesh, I wanted to, let's say, John is a shareholder. I have made my wife also a shareholder. Okay, eligible, which is in GG. So she carries 10 and I have 10. Now, for example, I have only one Demat account. Can the 10 shares of my wife transfer to me in my Demat account? I know this is a question, actually a GG question, but I'm asking you.
Yeah.
Is it possible?
Sir, it is possible, but you are both of separate Demat account. When your wife is have Demat account and you also have a Demat account, then your wife is dematerialize your share shares and your shares, and internally you all are transfer shares. Your wife account is your and your shares is transfer in your wife account.
Future. Now, will GG?
But first, you dematerialize your separately. Dematerialize your shares in your account, your wife shares in your wife account.
No, we have not received the share certificate. Let's say, Mr. Kishore's case also I'm talking. He is part of phase 4. Okay, he has got almost about, I would say, roughly 30 shares. I'm telling, actually 40. Now he is 2 sons and his wife. I'm giving an example. So he opens only one account. That is one of the questions he asked.
No,
not possible. All 4 accounts need to be opened.
Yes.
And the shares will be remitted there, and then he can combine it. He can transfer it to any account he wants.
Yes.
Got it. That's what one of the question asked by my customer also, because they were thinking, do husband-wife especially, or a father-son relationship, do I need to open is what they asked. Good, you clarified. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I said. Combined account, joint account, can it be opened?
No, I'm asking about your Udan, nothing else.
Yeah, I got it.
But your shares in a different name, not a joint name.
Correct. I know. For example, John means it will be if it is a Thrace or, the share will come in her name only, correct?
Yes.
And then only it will be transferred. I got it. Perfect. So whenever we have a doubt, it's always good to clarify. Then, assume, perfect.
Please all are you fill this form. I will help you.
Perfect. Friends, there any other questions, any clarifications there? We have got the link, we have got the Google form, we have got the contact details. You can feel free. If still you are not able to get a proper this one, you can be in touch with me. Or,
Yes, Johnson,
Mrs.
I've got some
Srisha is
clarity.
there. Yeah, yes, Mr. Joseph. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I've got, I opened a Demat account in South Indian Bank.
Okay.
Okay, so now tell me the next procedure now. I've got a physical share certificate, which has to be demat.
You need to walk into the bank, probably. Correct me, Mr. Dinesh.
Yes.
Go take the DRF form from there,
Yeah.
fill it up, give you a certificate, because I think the bank is next to your house. You
Yes,
can
yeah,
walk in
close.
directly,
Yeah.
take a physical form, DRF form, fill it up, give the share certificate. They
Yeah.
might give you an acknowledgement or something, and then you can follow the process. Correct,
Yeah,
Mr.
because-
Dinesh?
And
Yeah.
yes, and Mr. Joseph, according to my knowledge, that bank has no trading account. You can dematize your share, but you can't sell on that
Okay.
that bank.
They've got, sir, because I spoke to them. The person from their head office spoke to me. They mentioned 2 agencies who do the trading. But since we are still in a process of not finalizing, so I just said I'll get back to them. I'm not open.
Did you
They
pay
asked-
any charges? Did you pay any
No,
charges or
no.
anything?
For now,
No.
they have not opened. Yeah, sir. But they've got 2 agencies where we can do the trading. And we have to give another set of forms and all. I said I'll get back to them. I have not done that so far.
The choice is yours. Like I told Hema, choice is yours. You can go ahead with them or go with us, and they will be able to help. And you can share those, whatever the South Indian Bank has given to Aarti or, the team, and they will be able to assess. If everything feasible, they will tell you can please go ahead.
Yes,
Otherwise, you can open an account with us hassle-free, and they will be able to guide.
Okay, so we'll decide tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir.
Thank you. So I think you have got certificate. Rani ma'am and Shah
Hasn't-
was not received.
Yeah, yes.
Got it. Perfect.
For them,
Please
that
take
some
it.
form has come last week that they have to fill up and send it, no, sir?
Yes, those
Just
who have not
inform me
received the share, yes, there is a link that has been shared already.
But what Hema was saying that she filled up some form after that.
Hema has received the share certificate. That is why she filled in the other form.
No, but then I also received, sir, but there was no form after that, no?
That is one. That I will send it to you. That I will send it to you in a group. There are 2 links. One for those who have received GG certificate, and the other one who are yet to, but share is eligible.
Yeah.
So
That
there are
I
2
got, sir.
forms.
That I filled up and sent it with after details of sending of the Demat account detail.
Okay.
But after that, some link you spoke of, which I don't know.
No. That's finished. What you have got for Joseph is done. For Rani and for Sharu, you got another link.
Yeah, that okay. Sir. That
That
you know,
need to
that
be
I have to
filled
fill
in.
up and send.
Yes. Okay. So friends, very other questions, anything else? Hope this session was useful in understanding the basics of, Demat. Ashish has got any question? Usmani ji, good, he is at work, still he could join. Balaji, Thiru, Suresh avare, Ashok avare, nimde ಏನಾದ್ರು questions ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಮಾಡಿರೋದು
ಹೌದು,
ಯಾವ್ದು
ಹೌದು.
ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. 4th
Yes.
ಫೇಸ್
ಹಾ,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
sir,
ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಸುಮಾರು
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು,
ಜನ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಅದು ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Good evening. This is Veena. Thiru's wife was speaking.
Tell me, ma'am. Yes.
Sir, very sorry. Just now he's come from duty. Any queries, he'll be calling you. Please guide him.
Not a problem. We'll do
Yeah,
it. Okay.
yeah. Thank you
In
so
fact,
much, sir.
Mr. Thiru has sent a note that he has not received the certificate. I told
Yeah.
nothing to worry.
Yeah.
However, no, we will take care. There is
Sure,
another
sure.
link that he has to fill it up.
Okay.
And we will
Whatever
be
it
able to
is,
take
please share with him. So he'll be doing the same as sent by you.
Perfect.
And please guide him. Just now he has come from duty. So
No problem. No
yeah.
problem. We'll
Thank
do
you,
that,
sir.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
And there is a link also what Aarti madam has put it. Right
Yeah,
now also
yeah.
she has put it back in the chat.
Yeah.
You can fill in that form.
Okay.
And you can call me as well. Anything
Sure,
with regard to GG shares, I will be able to guide.
Okay.
From GG share to Demat account, Aarti madam will be able to guide. Okay.
Sure. Whatever it is, you just inform him. Even I was not there. Even I
Perfect.
was out. I told to my daughter to
Attend as a
switch.
login.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
okay.
so because of that.
No issues. We will do
Yeah.
that. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Can
Usmani
this
ji.
link be Can this
Ah.
link be posted in the group? No.
I'm doing it. Right now I'm doing it. Right now only I'm doing it. Okay. Usmani, you wanted to have a question, please?
Yeah. As it is, I don't have any demat account. I'll have to go for a fresh account.
Not a problem. Yes.
So for that, whom to be contacted and
I sent in a query form in our Lorwin group. I have sent in a link right away. Please fill in this form. Any query related to Demat account. Okay, I am sending right now. You can just click that link and fill in the details. The rest of the things, one of them will get in touch with you. If still not, you can call me. I'll be able to guide and help.
And one more question regarding this Angel.
Angel broking, yeah.
Yeah, broking. Is there any hidden charges like that?
Absolutely no. Absolutely
Yesterday I tried online opening an account. Somebody from Angel contacted me and they said that for first year it is free and later on you have to pay 750 rupees per annum.
When you do a trading, correct, Mr. Dinesh?
Yes.
That to be clarified.
When you do a trading, when you do an online trading, definitely there will be some charges.
Okay. So if without trading, the shares are just kept in, no fee to be paid. Am I right?
Correct.
I think 100 rupees to be paid per annum.
So that the clarity
They took from me.
Nominal charge. How does it work, Mr. Dinesh? Let's say I have opened an account in Angel Broking. Okay, I have taken the shares from GG. Okay, first year it is free, correct? Whether I do trading or no, is there any charges?
No.
AMC.
Okay, first year. How about AMC? What about from the second year?
AMC is free. AMC is free first year. If you don't trade any, don't trade, there is no charges. No AMC, no charges.
Second year
trade,
also.
If you trade, then sub charges will be levied.
Okay. Does it clarify, Mr. Usmani and Abdulji or Kishore?
Yeah, it is clarified. Until and unless you do the trading, you won't be having any charges.
Perfect. Yes.
First year, even for trading, no charges, huh?
No.
First year?
No. First year.
20 rupees. 20 rupees per transaction or something like that.
Yes.
So sorry, Mr. John. Actually, 9 o'clock we have another meeting.
Yes. So I'm winding off. I was about to tell. So 9 o'clock we have another meeting of Team Karnataka. Thank you so much, and thank you, Mr. Dinesh and Aarti ma'am, for your cooperation and update. And thanks to all the participants. All the very best, and we can close the session for today. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Dinesh and Aarti ji.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க